and consuming goods. What are goods? Things that people make or grow for sale are known as goods. Goods are commodities that fulfill needs and wants of the people. These include everything from fruits and vegetables to cars and video games. A person who makes and grows goods is called producer. A person who buys and uses goods is called consumer. When you buy a cake from a baker, the baker is the producer and you are the consumer. Classification of goods. Goods are classified in many ways. The goods that satisfy the needs and wants of people such as bread, pen, clothes, and so on. They are known as consumer goods. The goods that are made or grown to produce other goods such as tools, machines, and raw materials are known as producer goods. People buy goods with the idea that they will use them either such once or over again. The goods that can be used repeatedly are called durable goods. For example, television and air conditioning, cars, machines and tools are durable goods. The goods that can be used only once are called non-durable goods. Non-durable goods including food items and raw materials, bread and milk are examples of non-durable goods. Producing goods. Why does one produce goods? Goods are produced to fulfill the needs and wants of people. By fulfilling the needs and wants of other people, producers earn money. The money paid by the consumer of goods is known as the income of the producer. The same money is used by the producer to satisfy their own needs and wants. With this money, they also buy raw material and equipment to produce more goods. So, how does one decide what to produce? To earn an income, producers have to sell their goods. Means they have to produce goods and consumers could want to buy. For example, there are many producers who make a variety of chocolates because they know that both children and adults like chocolates, and therefore they will always be demand of their needs. Resources needed for production of goods. Producers are resources to make or grow their goods. Resources can be placed into their three groups: natural resources, human resources, and capital resources. Human resources are those resources that are found in and on the earth, such as water, oil, soil. Human resources are the people who work in factories, or artisans, truck drivers, shopkeepers, teachers, doctors, and so. Capital resources are tools, equipments, buildings, trucks, computer disks, chairs, and so on that are used to produce goods. Market. Its importance. Market is a place where sellers and buyers meet to sell and buy finished goods. Without markets, it could have been very difficult for the producers to reach out to the consumers. Sometimes producers themselves are sellers. A pottery can come to market in the city and sells his pot. At other times, producers sell their goods to people who in turn sell them in the market. A pottery may sell his pots to trader in the village, and the traders may themselves the same city in the market. Market allows producers to sell their goods and earn an income. Market is equally useful and buyers and consumers because here they get the goods for the choice. Thank you.